Okay, so this would be the frame that we haven't removed yet from the two homes that were burned. This would be the spot where we're putting the new house. You can see we've drawn some lines out where we're going to place the gravel and stuff. It doesn't line up exactly with where the old home was. In the background you can see the debris from the old home that will have to be removed. And the tractor and my son, Matthew, and Lexi DiPestino, my oldest son's fiance's sister. Alrighty, so let's go over here and see if we can get this tractor started. We're going to use the redneck starting technique. Hold this. See you in there. Redneck starting a tractor. Tractor sat in the field for 6 years. It took me 3 weeks to fix it. It was made in 1947. Mm-hmm.